So I finally succumbed to getting a impact wrench. I went to Biltema, picked this one out. It's a 450 Newton meter impact wrench, and decided to try it out. Come home and gonna try this out for the first time. Got myself a power tool here, 14 millimeter, and this is stuck pretty bad. So I'm gonna try it on with this one in reverse. And let's hope for the best. I'll go slow. So it'll come loose. Yeah. Success. That was good. That almost makes it worth buying it already. We got one on this side too. Let me show you. So I tried with this one first, normal wrench, and this, putting it there. It doesn't work. At least not for me. So let's give this a try. Yeah, won't even need that one. Let's give some light. What is happening? Yeah, there we go. Nice. So this really works. They sell, I believe this is the same one as the EastVolt. It's 800 watt. This is 230, but and it's 120 the EastVolt. Hope you can see this. But I guess they changed the transformer inside it, and otherwise it's the same. So I might show you on the wheel nuts on the car also, but it's not time to replace them yet, but I might wait for it in the video. But so far I give it a thumbs up. So you got speed, you got different speed, and of course you got front and reverse. So, and it's cheap. Hopefully it will last a while. The impact wrench driver is coming like this. You get 4 sockets, power tools, 17 to, what is this? 22. So, and you get this. Manual, yeah, I don't get the safety stuff and so on. The sound is pretty 103 decibel. This is the data. So this model, as I probably said, 800 watts, 450 Newton meter max, and max RPM is 3,400, and it's for 1/2 inch sockets, and it weighs 2.5 kilo. And then you get a 17 millimeter, 19 and 21 and then 22 millimeter power socket. So yeah, that's about it. Let's see if we can get this loose. 17 millimeter reverse. Yeah, no problem. Let's see if we can get this one too. Yeah, easy peasy. Okay, let's put it back. Thanks for watching.